Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. It's Beenish and today I'm going to share the review of bile oil with you. I am using bile oil from last 6 months and I got very amazing results. Bile is a pretty good product. Bile oil claims that it is a product which removes acne scars and stretch marks. Actually, bile oil is a cosmetic oil designed to reduce the appearance of scars, including acne scars. It contains potential oils, lavender oil, rosemary oil. It contains vitamin A, E, and other skin enhancing ingredients. Bile oil reduces acne scars due to high vitamin E content. It is good for acne and healing scars. Bile oil moisturizes the skin, which can improve wound healing. It may even skin tone and reduce fine lines. Vitamin A can help exfoliate the skin, which accelerates the scars healing process. According to lab tests, the rosemary oil found in bile oil may damage the bacteria which contribute to pimples. The lavender oil found in bile oil has antimicrobial properties that could improve skin conditions. Bile oil reduces the appearance of scars and stretch marks. Bile oil works best on scars that are less than 3 years old. Now the question is, for what skin bile oil cannot be used or it doesn't suit? So if you have oily skin, I recommend you don't use the bile oil. It should never be used on cracked or broken skin. If you are allergic or sensitive to essential oils, don't use bile oil. Like other products, when you use it for the first time, do a skin patch test by putting the small amount of bile oil on your forearm and wait at least 30 minutes for a sign of reaction. It removes newly and old wound scars, stretch marks. It removes women's pregnancy stretch marks. Now the question is where to get bile oil. Actually, bile oil is available in many grocery stores and health or beauty stores. Now I'm telling you that how to use bile oil for skin. Bile oil should be applied to clean dry skin and massage in a circular motion until oil has totally absorbed. It should not taken more than a few drops. Few drops are enough for your face. Here you can see that I am using on my hand and massaging in circular motion. If you have oily skin, you do not use bile oil. Use it twice a day for best result. It is highly recommended. It is lightweight and non-greasy. You can mix it with the foundation or you can use it as a makeup remover. You can use on your hands and your forearms. It removes stretch marks and it fades scars. It is best for uneven skin tone and it is used for aging and dehydration. And after 6 months, stretch marks are entirely gone if you have this problem. I recommend you. It is a pretty good product and you can use it to get rid of scars or stretch marks. It is best for fade acne scars and anti-aging. You can use it on your forearms and elbow to lighten the dark areas, and you can use it after pregnancy to removing the stretch marks. It removes the scars and dry skin and the dullness from your face and give you an amazing glow. You can use it twice a day and you can get best result. I'm using it from last 6 months and I got amazing result. It's a pretty good product. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel if you don't subscribe it, and share my video. Till my next video, take care of yourself and remember me in your prayers. Till then, Allah Hafiz.